Let's had a good little drive then. Whoa. If you couldn't tell, that was fake. I do rate my editing skills a little bit though. But yeah, we didn't make it to Donington. Some of you probably guessed it, but yeah, I wasn't going to risk it. Just the amount of money I spent in this car in like a month and a half I've owned it, and then risk having to do more damage to the car, plus the risk of doing damage to somebody else's car. The risk wasn't worth it, and plus I've owned this Ford Fiesta for like 5 years now. That's meant to be my dedicated track build. It would be wrong of me to deny that car track time before a car that I've literally only just got. So I've cancelled the track day, and we have got the track day transferred over to another date next year. So hopefully the Fiesta will be in good enough shape so that we can actually run it on the track and have some fun in it. And on to the sad part, which I think is a little bit sad but a little bit more exciting. The Mini has gone. I've sold the Mini Cooper. It's gone to the new owners. They're the owners of a nutritional brand. I think they're based down in Alton, but they're saying they're going to use the Mini as like a business tool, so they'll get clients to like sign up and do like track laps of like inside Alton Park. So it's quite sick. I spoke to the owners as well, and they were saying, yeah, if I ever want to go in it again, I'll come down to Alton and I can have like a little driver or a passenger thing going down the track. So might be seeing it again in the future. I'm not one to say no to a free track day, but yeah, Mini's gone. Massive relief. Sold it, made my money back and a little bit more. But yeah, less stress, and I'm so happy that it's just out of my life, because it was giving me really bad stress. So it's gone. Happy days. I'm a happy boy. If you can't tell, car's been gone for what? Probably about 3 hours. Within that time, I've already made things for the Fiesta. Just made a little fire extinguisher mount which mounts underneath the passenger seat. So as you can see and probably know, I will have more money now that we can go towards a Ford Fiesta, as for like the last month or so I've had no money to invest in the Fiesta, hence why there's not really been any Fiesta content. So yeah, happy days. Mini's gone and I'm extremely happy. So I think for the time being, I'm going to start writing down a list of things that I want to do to the Ford Fiesta. I'm still waiting on some fiberglass doors to be made for the car, which I think the guy's in a bit of a pickle because of everything that's going on in the world, trying to source materials and stuff. But that is one thing that's on my list to be made. But if you guys can think of something else that needs to be done to the car, or suggestions on things that you want to see, make sure you leave them down below, because I do read all of my comments. I am thinking about I was thinking about a turbo build. I need to do a lot more research, but it is one thing that I'm kind of like that. But yeah, might do that in the future. I might have to make a few more contacts with people who can try and save me a lot more money, because if anybody knows turbos, you know that they are very expensive to build. So I need to do more research on that. But yeah, if there's any other things that you want to see, track related hopefully, that you want to see on a car, leave it down in the description and I'll see if I can try and incorporate into one of the videos. Have got a couple of things left to do, but yeah, probably just a little quick video, little channel update. As I said, congratulations to Grant and the other fella that won the spark plug covers last week. You should have received them by now. But that's the end of this video. Make sure you keep liked and subscribing. There will be new content out soon. Most of you are Ford guys, so there will be more Ford content out soon. But yeah, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.